Looks like Dengue is happy. Happy, Beba? Yeah?
Yeah, because she's not gonna walk.
She had Coney Island and then...
No, you're going to see Dumbo.
What do you mean, Dumbo?
Oh, we gotta go at Brooklyn Bridge.
So, balik natin ito sa Hotel Express.
Oh,
Ano oras na ba?
Ha?
right now it's 1 o'clock.
Ano naman ito eh?
Baka hindi tayo makakain ng breakfast.
Yeah, maybe we can have a breakfast tomorrow morning at the hotel.
Marami pa rin nung ka rin nag-check-in ka rin. Kanina kaya ang tagal ko, napakalit ako.
Talaga na.
Kaya nang check, upudlat to agad.
The birthday girl.
Kaya siya
Hi,
sa mo.
guys. We're moving. Delta.
Hi.
There we go. Hi, Dandy. Hi, Credel. Moving around. Some long hours.
Ganun mo.
Say hi, pa.
Hi.
There we go.
Ah, that's Harma. Hard rock.
It's America.
Kung si battery, mamaya wala ka na makukuha na.
Oo nga, kung saan yung mas marami.
Yeah, I know.